Hello everyone, welcome to Junk Truck Simulator or whatever, you know what it says. And today's video, I'm just gonna play it. Oh no. If the game will load, that is. Also, boop. Also, I've already got 12 subscribers. That's good for me. That's all. That's fine. I don't really care about how many subscribers I have because making gaming videos is what I want to do. That's all I want to do. That's fun. Come on, old computer, don't freak out. Please don't freak out because this is annoying. My computer is literally 9 years old. I almost turned 10 this year. Aren't you, my baby? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Most people might this guy's not cool, but I'm cool. Am I cool or not? Great. What am I supposed to do again? Oh, let's go up here. It's E. I keep on. You see, this is what the problem is. Once you play My Summer Car, it's like, oh. Also, it's 400. I was wrong. Go back. Do that. I don't know what that is. I can't read. Alright. I'm just trying to remember how to get into. Oh, it's E. What's the map again? Oh, there is. Ah! Shivers. Oh. Oh, well, let's go off-roading a bit. Oh. Let's bear in mind the map. So if I'm losing the map or what, it's because I played this like a couple of days ago. I might bring some stuff with me. Jesus Christ, perfect driving. All these years of playing My Summer Car paid off. And my winter car. So a lot of you guys like watching that. I don't know why. But if you like it, I guess it's fine. X was the exit, wasn't it? I kept hearing this really weird sound. That's a normal sound to hear. Oh, the junk place is up there, isn't it? Oh, hang on. So the junk place is up there somewhere. I might just try and buy the truck. If I can. I might cut to where... No, I might not cut this yet. Oh, hang on. Wait, is that where I buy the car from? I gotta remember where I buy the car from. Because that's been ages, okay? I swear I bought the truck in one of my other saves. Oh well. Oh, that's right, there's no there's no handbrake. If there was, it'd be done.
You hear about the truck? You picked the right day.
$400 worth of truck.
These Diamondbacks are actually really, really durable trucks. That's why they're still around. They're from a time when trucks were made of metal. This one's engine's in better condition. With a little fixing that can be on the run.
Okay, so now I'm gonna find where to how to make the money for this truck thing. Fudge. For my car. I was not gonna start for a second there. Oh, Jesus Christ, that dark. I don't know how to make money. Do I just sell junk? Is that what I do? I don't remember. It's been ages. Okay. Do you expect me to know everything about getting at least? Oh. I might have to fill this up with fuel or something like that. Oh. Oh, that's right, I gotta pick it. Oh. Oh, well, got it in. Is there like an outdoor camera or something like that? Where's the chump? Plus we get rid of the junk. So I might need some fuel for this thing. Yeah, that's fuel, isn't it? Need some money somehow. Gotta get some money somehow. Wait, can I pick up the tire? No. And one of those things you can pick up here and then put it in the trash or the bin. Oh well. I like how the first time I played this I found like fridges and that, and then
Okay.
How much was it? How do I grab money? $10. That won't do much. Gotta find some fridges. Well, I might fuel up the car then, since I'm actually not sure what kind of fuel that is. Well, we'll find out in a couple of minutes. You know, I might just cut to where I have bought when I gain the money. So for that break from one. No, I might just grind enough money off camera. So I bought a little bit of fuel. Oh, hang on. So quiet. Better. So everybody can hear what I'm hearing. Where's here but junk. Well, I've got enough bags here to buy some engine oil. I think there is I just don't remember what the button is for chucking stuff. Oh well. If you guys can tell me what the button is, that'll be great, because I've forgotten the button for throwing stuff. Is there a throw button? Maybe it's F. No, F is the torch. So you know what? My next episode, I'll buy the car. Just like my winter car, hey? Oh no, different. That's different. I bought the car and then I decided to shoot the car out. Also, if you're wondering why there hasn't been many videos, it's because I told you guys I'm not sure what's happening, so you know.
Keep bringing these bags, okay?
How much money will I get from this? $40? That would enough to buy me some engine oil. You know guys, before this game gets very dark. And it's already too late, isn't it? Oh well. Oh. Oh no, what's the light button? H? I'll buy some engine oil and that's when I'll sign off this video, guys. Oh well, I don't know what the button is for the whites. But the surgery you need. Using this map again, so up here I'm going to turn left. Or sharp left. Then I'm going to turn. I'm going to buy some more fuel and some more engine fluid. Wait, is that a fridge? Oh no, fuck that, no. Oh great, I've got to get the phone out. what's the phone again? I always go. Oh, I don't know. I hear. Oh my gosh. How do I not know how to access the phone? I hear. Toe. 40. I don't have much money for that. Nothing's real. If this car gets up this bloody hill, I'm gonna name this my favorite car in the game. Never mind. I can barely go backwards. Come on. Oh, you piece of garbage. Got it. Oh, do not go back down there. I can't have nice things, can I? There you go, I'm back up. Oh my goodness. No, I'm not gonna. I don't have enough money for it. I'm sick of that noise. You know what, guys? I might just hang up the video from here now. Oh my god. I keep on forgetting how things work in this game. Engine, motor oil. Does that mean I bought it? I don't know. Oh well. Oh, I bought it. Okay. Wait, how much did I buy? I only bought one. Oh yeah, I think I just need one. Quotes of it. How do I use this? Oh, it's probably. Oh. Oh, I just. That whole thing is gone now. Now the oil's back up. Okay, I've got to remember it's E for everything. Wait, is there still enough oil in there? I don't know. I'm just not gonna really. You know what? I might just do one of the scratchies. Oh, how do I? Oh my god, how do I? How much money did I get there? None of them back, so that's great. How much money did I just get? I've just spent my whole life savings on a bleeping cow lotto thingy. 10, 100, 10. So I'm just gonna get $20 probably. No dollars. How dare you? Well, guys. Come on, let me out. So, guys, I might just. That's right. I'll go back to the house so I can save. Is it G? No, F is there. Oh, that's how you get. Yeah, I know. You know, guys. Bye. And like and subscribe as well.